Welcome back to Outback Polaks, where we finally get to try out our new four-wheel drive. It's a RAAF 4, so it's not really a four-wheel drive, but we've got Junior and he's running amok. He hasn't been to the beach for quite a while. Mark's letting the air out on the tyres. What pressure are we going under?
We're going to 25 PSI is the recommendation.
25. Are you ready for the beach?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Sit.
So, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can always support our channel by buying us a coffee, link in the description. Alright, let's see how this car goes. We're going to set up a couple GoPros and we've also got drones.
Alright, so the diff lock is on.
Oh, traction control.
We need to turn that off.
Yep.
What do you have to turn off?
Traction control.
What's that?
It controls the traction. Yep, TOC off.
Can I put my seatbelt on?
I encourage you to put your seatbelt on. Yeah. Alright.
Yes,
you ready?
I think you should put the seatbelt on.
Are you ready?
People!
Keep off the dunes.
So all these people with like real four-wheel drives looking at us going, what?
Got the back camera, got the front camera.
Got the GoPros, so if we do anything horrendously dangerous,
Here we've
got it
go!
all on video.
Here we go, Lemmy.
I really wonder how he's
Yeah, so that was...
Bumpy.
You do realise the bet is on that you're going to get bogged both going onto the beach and off the beach.
That's alright. What bet? Who's got the bet? You and Radek.
Yeah.
Alright, well, who did you bet against me or with me?
Oh no, we just both agreed that you were probably going to get bogged both ways. You just, yeah, like...
There we go.
Right, so someone's just got bogged in a very similar vehicle.
Not similar. It's an X-Trail.
Very similar vehicle. Okay, so there's no need to go fast. So you're going exactly where I told you not to go, but that's okay. Just keep the wheel speed up and... Oh, very good. So we actually got through. Yeah, see how we got momentum?
Yep.
So, but you're not... You need to go...
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Car's not turning.
Yeah, you need to... Yeah.
I'm drifting, bruh.
You are drifting. Don't get the car too fast though.
Yep. I'm doing 3,000.
Yeah, because if we hit something, it's going to hurt.
Well, you gotta watch ahead.
Yeah. This is pretty stressful for me because I would normally do the driving in this situation.
I am actually sweating.
Yeah, but you've sort of... I'm not overreacting, I just don't want to get stuck like those guys. We want to be cool dudes and get all the way off the beach.
Onto the beach, you mean?
Yeah. Yeah. See, you're...
Things are falling off. I know you're not doing it.
Yeah, keep going, keep the revs up. Don't let the revs drop. So you can actually watch. See, this is the road. The bumpy bits we want to avoid. If you can get on something smoother, go for the smooth.
All right. That was crazy. Well, the first bet you lost.
We could get bogged here.
Did we lose one of the GoPros? Okay, first part we made through without bogging. Mark put a bet against me that I would get bogged.
Yep.
That's definitely going to happen. I even agree with that.
Getting on the beach.
Specifically, getting bogged either going onto the beach or getting off the beach.
Thanks.
And we decided that you would do both.
Thanks for the trust, guys. I really appreciate. I mean, I thought I'd get bogged, but I wish people would have trust in me.
Nope.
So, all right, on to the next part, which is the beach, and we just found out we can't have Junior here, so
we're gonna have to hide him.
We're gonna have to hide him, stow him
like
away.
An ugly old woman.
Should we just take it off?
No, because this is a public road. That'd be highly illegal.
Alright, so we've made over our first water thing, but we've nearly lost a number plate. So I've got to screw it back on stage. This guy's just insane. more than halfway through. Done probably over 20 Ks. Mark's taken over the driving because I had to fly the drone. But I was doing an amazing job. I don't care what anyone says.
You did.
Did I do a good job, Lumi?
I'm crap.
Lumi, did I do a good job?
Bogged, we didn't roll. So
We didn't get bogged, we didn't roll.
They're the two main things.
Two main things. But check out how amazing this is. This is bloody awesome. It's my first time four-wheel drive, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Now to survive the journey back. All I need is a beer.
Oh, a beer would be awesome.
A beer would be nice.
That's what we don't like.
Oh, I should have bought a six-pack.
How can you buy a six-pack?
Lumi's question is, how can you buy a six-pack?
You get money and you find a
What is
shop.
wrong with this child?
Oh, a pack.
Done. I'm just sort of thinking the sign there is all about the danger, not like what it is.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to have like, it was established in.
So what is it?
This is a gun emplacement from World War II for, I don't know, protection of like Australia and the inlets to the ports in Brisbane.
Probably gave a good viewing port to see if there's any Japanese submarines coming along or battleships. I mean, if you were a soldier stationed here in World War II, mind going for a swim in the afternoon or go fishing. So we made it to the end, 23 kilometers. Now we got to head back 23 kilometers. We survived, and I didn't get bogged.
Yep.
Up yours, Ruddock.
We still have to make it off the beach.
We will make it off the beach. My confidence is not as high, but I'm pretty confident that we will make it off the beach.
We're definitely
We will. So just got pulled over by the rangers because we've got Junior in the car. We didn't know we were supposed to leave him at home. Probably should have read the signs. But oh well, the fine's $130, so I'll cop it. But yeah, he won't be coming with us again. Ah, there one. Back up, Junior.
We can outrun him?
Yeah. Oh well. Junior, you're a lot of trouble. Thanks, buddy. You owe me $130.
And thanks to Karen for dobbing us in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Karen. Thank you so much.
Yep.
All right, so we're about to come off the beach. It's Mark's turn to get not bogged. Not bogged, Mark.
Not bogged.
Not bogged. Lumi's had enough. Yes! Yes! We did it! We did it! Well, but we're only got, that's the start. Yeah. The really soft part. Lumi.
It's like what was that movie? Like Ace Ventura.
Ace Ventura.
Like
Oh, I feel seasick. Oh. on, come on, come on. Fuck.
It blocks the whole drive.
So, who got stuck? Who got bogged? Was it me or was it you? It was you.
And we got bogged for exactly the reason I said we got bogged.
So we're going to get pulled up by these nice, lovely people.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Ready. Ready. Go. Stop. Stop. Fuck. Go, 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 go. Nice. Keep going, keep going. I'll walk back. I need full tilt. Don't stop. Don't stop. I think I'm gonna walk back.
Okay.
Well,
I would not let him stop.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
all
you,
good.
lovely people.
That's
What's your name?
Mine's Corey.
Paul.
Ella.
Thanks, Ella. All right, I've got 500 meters to walk now. Because once you start going, you can't stop. So, thanks, guys. I might hitchhike back. I mean, I do need the exercise, but no, I've got sports shoes on. My feet are full of sand. Sand is too hot to take shoes off. I need a beer. I'm gonna do the old hitchhike. Thanks guys. Well, that turned out to be an expensive weekend.
The guy in front of me, like once I caught up to him, and then because they got big full drives, they're slowing down and speeding up.
Oh no.
So I caught them, so I was bottoming out again.
Oh well. Thanks again, guys.
That's alright.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that wasn't me.
Oh.
I'm so happy that wasn't me.
So what are we doing?
We're washing underneath the car. Maybe you should run it. Thank you, Mark. Well, that's it. We're home. We've had a bit of something to eat and a couple of beers. Now it's time to wash the car and get everything done. What an adventure. First time. It was good. Definitely a few lessons learned. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget you can sponsor our channel in the description by buying us a coffee. And yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Hopefully not as crazy as this one.